Elon Musk, a name synonymous with ambition, innovation, and a touch of controversy. From colonizing Mars to revolutionizing transportation, his ventures inspire awe and raise eyebrows in equal measure. But who is the man behind the enigma? Is he a visionary genius or an unpredictable risk-taker? Welcome to Do Academy. Today, let's dive into the complex paradox that is Elon Musk. The Musk empire spans industries, each venture shaking the foundations of the established order. Forget waiting for government agencies. SpaceX, Elon Musk's audacious rocket company, ruffled feathers by breaking space travel monopolies and blanketing the globe with over 5,000 Starlink internet satellites. But when Russia invaded Ukraine, things got a little complex. Starlink was a game changer and offered Ukrainians vital internet access when traditional infrastructures crumbled, helping them fight back and stay connected. But the question arose, was Musk playing favorites by refusing access to Crimea? Could Starlink's dual-use nature ignite further conflict? The war underscores the need for nuanced conversations about private companies like SpaceX operating in conflict zones. Electric cars were a niche novelty before Tesla. Musk made them mainstream, forcing giants like Ford and Toyota to scramble. And again, there are concerns. Is Musk a sustainability champion or taking undue risks? Achievements like mainstreaming EVs and pushing technological boundaries are undeniable, but production inconsistencies have plagued Tesla, like the Model 3 ramp-up delays that caused the stock price to tumble 20% in 2018. Negative press coverage over worker safety concerns at its Fremont factory also led to price dips. Moreover, Musk's infamous funding-secured tweet in 2018 sent the stock soaring before plummeting due to SEC investigations, showcasing the volatility linked to his impulsive communication. Elon's fiery acquisition of Twitter instantly divided the online world. Champions applauded his push for free speech and broader perspectives, while others feared a surge of hate speech and manipulation. While the Twitter acquisition initially sent the stock soaring on hopes of revitalization, concerns about content moderation under Musk's free speech vision led to advertiser anxieties and stock price drops. The platform's future stability further became uncertain with Musk's unconventional leadership style and the cryptic X logo change, which contributed to further volatility. And Musk made things worse when he told nervous advertisers to go F themselves.
You don't want them to advertise?
No.
What do you mean?
If somebody's going to try to blackmail me with advertising, blackmail me with money, go yourself.
This only fueled concerns about his leadership and the platform's stability. Used to wielding control, governments find themselves in unfamiliar territory. There has been antitrust investigations against Tesla and platform bans threatened against Twitter. But Musk seems to adapt faster than the legal system. His disregard for convention further complicates matters. Some see governments trying to maintain control in a rapidly changing landscape, protecting consumers and enforcing fair play. Others argue they're stifling progress, using outdated tools against a nimble disruptor. Ultimately, the answer may lie in finding a balance, fostering innovation while ensuring responsible conduct. Reusable rockets, sustainable energy, colonizing Mars. These are the hallmarks of Musk's ambition. He tackles humanity's toughest challenges, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Is he a visionary leader paving the way for a brighter future, or a showman taking dangerous gambles with technology? Questionable tweets, broken promises, and disregard for safety raise concerns about his judgment and leadership. Worker safety issues at Tesla and self-driving car controversies leave a trail of worry. Perhaps the most troubling aspect is the sheer scale of Musk's influence. Governments find themselves deferring to him, relying on his whims for critical infrastructure like internet access. This power imbalance raises questions about accountability and potential misuse. Is this a necessary partnership for progress or a dangerous concentration of power in the hands of one man? Imagine a future where unchecked power breeds recklessness, where Musk's influence becomes a destabilizing force, creating global tension and intensifying inequality. This bleak scenario highlights the potential dangers of unchecked power. But another path exists, one paved with collaboration and accountability. Imagine a future where Musk's ventures, guided by ethical considerations and responsible leadership, lead to groundbreaking advancements. Imagine sustainable energy powering the world, humanity exploring the cosmos, and technological innovation improving lives for all. This hopeful scenario shows the potential of responsible ambition and control. But can Musk be controlled? At the end of the day, when it comes to who can control Elon Musk, it's probably Elon Musk himself. Do you think we can entrust all this power and responsibility on him? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.